Home shall be a place where love begins and a warm sanctuary for children to grow. But in hidden corners, potential dangers linger. Formaldehyde polluting the air, bacteria waiting in the shadows. Silently, they threaten your children's health and your entire family's well-being. Health issues are very important. Living spaces need your attention. Especially for families with kids, safe, healthy homes are essential. As maternity care's pioneer, setting industry standards first, Oppein maternal-infant grade products redefine healthy home excellence to protect the family with comprehensive care. For consumers' top formaldehyde worry, Oppein launched the Green Panel. Through evolving purification tech, from cabinet panel purification to 360-degree space purification upgrade, we open a new eco-realm for healthy homes. Unlike most eco-panels on market, beyond formaldehyde-free base material, Oppein Green Panel further integrates exclusive patented formaldehyde purifying tech. Dominated by two core substances, Chitin and Nano-silica, the patented formula captures formaldehyde molecules on panel surface and generate water and oxim to achieve automatic formaldehyde purification. Formaldehyde purification mimics plant photosynthesis naturally. Patented formula achieves air purification. Green Panel enhances indoor comfort and healthiness, like relocating homes to wilderness. At home, you may breathe freshness freely. Now purification tech has been applied across Oppein wardrobes, wooden doors, wall panels, etc. Purification covers whole home spaces, entryway, living dining room, bedroom, balcony, multifunctional room and more. Effectively shields vulnerable groups from polluted air exposure, making homes true health fortresses. Oppein's tech powers Green Panel. Formaldehyde emission, less than or equal to 0.02 milligrams per cubic meter, greatly surpasses China's ENF grade. Beyond formaldehyde, biopollutants in damp kitchens, baths harm vulnerable groups. To solve this issue, Oppein launches the Antibacterial Kitchen Bath Solution version 3.0. In kitchens, Oppein builds a new antibacterial system with healthy materials, appliances, and accessories. Focusing on frequently used cabinet panels and countertops, we innovated antibacterial panels and countertops. Oppein Antibacterial Panel uses OPS, one silver supermolecules technique, penetrates bacterial membranes to destroy cores, releases 0 silver ions for truly lasting sterilization. Certified by authorized laboratory, Oppein Antibacterial Panel features an antibacterial rate more than 99.9%. Able to eliminate E.coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Antibacterial Countertop uses the latest photocatalytic tech that works with kitchen lighting for efficient, lasting, eco-friendly protection to constantly safeguard the family. Certified by authorized laboratory, Oppein Countertop features an antibacterial rate greater than or equal to 99%. Further, tested via strict experiments. Even after 5,000 wipes, antibacterial effectiveness remains. Beyond two core healthy materials, Oppein's new antibacterial kitchen features 3 health systems: sterilization system, easy clean system, ventilation system, comprehensive system to eliminate bacteria. Meanwhile, Oppein unites global kitchen leaders to forge our global healthy home alliance. We build kitchen health fronts together, eliminating 5 hazards: grease, smoke, wastewater, germs, and mold. We safeguard family wellness. Through eco-product set, Oppein is building a healthy living system based on human life cycle. In this health-conscious era, Baby Safe isn't just a label. It's the ultimate quality touchstone. With 3 decades of dedication to custom home furnishings, we champion green, healthy, eco-friendly missions. From selecting single panel to perfecting every home, we make pinnacle eco-home products for families worldwide. For healthy and sustainable living, Oppein keeps innovating. We believe that where there is home and love, there is Oppein.